People, so this is my sixth video of the day, and I am reviewing this thing called the Eva no alcohol skin friendly range of deos. And people say, yeah, this sort of it says for buy buy one get one free for 200 bucks you get two, which is a deal really, because what happens is many of these deo sprays are like expensive, yeah, like seriously expensive. So no, I mean, see, people, it might seem like, oh my god, this is like tacky, what is she advertising, what is she but there is this whole mindset that only if a thing is expensive is it good, which is the biggest fallacy there can be. I mean, I've seen some of the cute, like, people. My line of work involves going and meeting vendors at the grassroots level, so I've seen that most of what we pay for things and all, we are paying the middleman for a product. The same product you can buy it at the source or from not a glitzy store for half the price. What half? 1/10 the price, so that's what it's all, a mindset. So through my videos I want to even make this change, yeah, that just because something might seem cheap, it's not, so that's what people, if anything that says no alcohol and it's skin friendly, it is definitely worth trying. So Eva deo spray. So do try and get yourself this thing. This I got it at, again, Forum Mall, the basement. They have these stores, right? So Forum Mall, Kukatpalli. On that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.